What's up, guys? It's Tim from the Tech Department with a quick tutorial on how to install MathType in the Chrome browser, in the Word application, and also on a tablet such as an iPad. So let's start with the Chrome browser. First, go to office.com. You could do this on any computer, or you could do it on a Chromebook as well. And you're going to log in with your .org email address, and then you're going to use the same password that you do to log into your desktop computer at school. You can also choose to stay signed in, which is a good thing to do because then you don't have to go through these screens every single time. And once we get to our main login page, just as a reference, if you click on the blue cloud, this is where all your files will be and your folder structure. And we can see that I have a file that's named MathType. We'll open that up. Once the file opens up, we're going to go to the Insert tab, click on Insert, and then we're going to go to Add-ins at the end of the screen over here and choose Add-ins. Once Add-ins comes up, you'll see I already added the MathType plugin here, so any add-ins that you have will be listed here, and the process goes like this. You'll choose the store. Underneath Search, you'll type in MathType. Click Search. MathType will come up. Click Add. That'll add the app to the web-based version of Word. Once you complete that process, you go back to the home page, and you'll see underneath the ellipsis, or these three little dots at the end of the ribbon here, that MathType is now available. All add-ins work this way. They're very similar to extensions in Chrome, so if there are others that you find out there that could be beneficial, feel free to go ahead and add them. The store is open to everybody. Click on MathType. Choose Open MathType. And from here you would type in your equation and you would click Insert, and that would insert it into the document just like you guys are used to doing in the regular Word application. And now this is available anytime that you log into Office 365 on any device through Chrome or Edge or even Safari, and you can use this on a Chromebook as well, as I mentioned earlier. So now let's move on to the Word application. When you're in Word, always make sure that autosave is on. In order for that to happen, your files need to be saved in OneDrive. It's always best to take a peek and see that you're logged in as well. You should see your name up here in the right hand corner. And you can see I already added MathType here, but we're going to go through that process once again, and it's really very similar to the one that we just did. So we'll go to Insert on the ribbon. We'll go to My Add-ins. Click See All. You'll see I already added MathType, so it's underneath My Add-ins, but you'll go to the store and go through the same process. Type in MathType. Click Search. Once it comes up, you'll click Add. There'll be a license agreement. You'll click OK to that. When it's done, it'll say it's completed. It'll bring you back to the home ribbon, and then you'll see MathType on the end. Click MathType. Click Open MathType. And now you can type your equation and insert it into the Word document just like you did in the web-based version. So the next clip will be for how to install it on an iPad. Let's start by downloading the apps from the App Store. Download OneDrive, Word. If you're using Excel or any other Office applications, you can get them all now. Once they're downloaded, launch OneDrive. You'll be prompted to log in. Use your .org email address and the same password you do to log into the desktop at school. That'll log you into all of the applications, and then launch OneDrive. You'll come to a screen like this. This will be your most recent files. If you click on the Files icon on the bottom, the folder, it'll show your directory structure and all of your files. You can open any Word document to add the MathType add-in. I'll use the one I created earlier called MathType. Once the document's open, you need to change it to edit mode by clicking the Word icon in the top bar. Once Word launches in edit mode, choose Insert. Scroll the toolbar over, drag it all the way over until you see the Add-ins icon. Drop that down. You'll see I already added MathType. For you to add MathType, click See All. And then this is the Office add-in store. Scroll down a little bit. You'll choose MathType. Click Add. You'll accept a license agreement, and then once completed, now MathType will show up in your add-in section. To use MathType, if you're in a fresh document on the home screen, you would choose Insert, pull that toolbar all the way over until you see Add-ins, drop it down, choose MathType, choose Open MathType. Comes to this initial screen where you can change it to keyboard mode by clicking the keyboard in the bottom left-hand corner. And now you can create your equations and insert them into Word. These documents will be available anywhere. You can get them on a Chromebook or on your desktop PC. So once they're in OneDrive, they're synchronized across all of your devices.